Hi viewers, this is Kumar. You are watching Kumar's Academy. Today I am going to teach you simple past tense. So already we know simple present tense, present continuous. Previous videos links are given below. So please watch them and you take the use of them. Without wasting our time, let's move to learn this simple past tense. What does it mean of simple past tense? Simple past tense means an action which completed in the present or in the past. I will give you an example. He ate banana now. He ate banana 2 years ago. 2 years ago. There is two sentences are there. See here, he ate banana now. Now indicates what? The action completed now only in the present. And he ate banana 2 years ago. What 2 years ago indicate? It indicate the action completed in the past, distance past. It is immediate present and it is a distance past or the immediate past you can say. Okay, now let's see. This is the definition of simple past tense. What is the simple past tense? Let's see the definition. There I have written. So it shows what? An action which completed in a recent present or a distant past. That is called simple past tense. It shows an action which completed now or the same action which has completed in the past. That is called simple past tense. I will write the example. Before writing the example, that we have to follow the all tenses, sentences like affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence and a negative interrogative sentence. Now let's begin the class with simple past tense and affirmative sentence. And this is the affirmative sentence. And in affirmative sentence, how the formula begins with, first begins with subject, later there will be verb and object. So now let's see what is the formula of simple past tense. So there it is, subject we use first and main verb always will be PT form plus object. So this is the formula is not a formula of simple present tense. This is simple past tense. Only we have added PT form here. So I will tell you about PT form. What is PT form? PT form means past tense. As already we know that there are three forms of verb that we have categorized them. Present tense. If you see verb chart, then you can find like this: present tense, past tense and past participle. So if we use the word become in present tense, it will become became and become in past participle. Become, became, become. Run, ran and run, and this is the second form of the verb that it is called past tense. So we have used it in a formula as a PT form. It is the second form of the verb. Arise, arose. Break, broke. Sing, sang. Ring, rang. Dream, dreamt. So today we have to use the second form of the verb. So let's see the same sentence. In simple present tense, I speak English. In present continuous tense, I am speaking English. In present perfect tense, I have spoken English. In simple past tense, it will become speak will become spoke. So I spoke English. Subject I, main verb, speak will be spoke English. I spoke English. So in next sentence, he drew a picture. He drew a picture. She bought. Why bought? Buy, bought. She bought a car. They reserved their tickets, their tickets. So this is this is called the pt form, that the verb has got the second form of the verb. Speak, spoke, drew, draw, drew, buy, bought, and reserve, reserved. The negative sentence. In a negative sentence always we use a not. So what is the formula of simple past tense? Subject, helping verb, not, main verb plus object. The same formula we have seen in simple present tense also, but only the difference is that there we have used two helping verbs, do and does. Here there is only one helping verb, that is a did. If there is a did, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, John and many. So now let's see the sentence. So first one, I spoke English. The same sentence you have to take and you have to make it into negative sentence. First we will take subject as I, next helping verb did, next negative sentence, that's why we have taken not. I did not, main verb speak, next English. So you may have confusion that it should be a spoke, but not like that. Why? Because this did is a second form of the verb. It is, see here, do, did and done. Already do form has become did, so that's why the did itself is a helping verb here. So that's why you should not write again spoke, because did, if it is already has become a second form of the verb, so we have to use as usual the main verb here. So I did not speak English. I think you have got clear it. Next, you did not write a letter. He did not write a letter. Next, she did not promise me. Promise me. So this is the negative sentence of simple past tense. In interrogative sentence, what we will do, always the helping verb begins. So next there is subject, main verb, object, always there is a question mark. So there is same, the helping verb is a did. If there is a did, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, John. Now let's write the same sentence. I spoke English. I did not speak English. Now you have to write, did I speak English? Did I speak English? Why not spoke? Because did already has become second form of the verb. So that's why did I speak English. Next, did he love his people? Did he love his people? Question mark. Did they borrow money? Did they borrow money? It's a question mark. So this is interrogative sentence of simple past tense. Let's see the negative interrogative sentence. In a negative interrogative, always there will be helping verb plus not, subject, main verb plus object plus question mark. So that is the same formula is here. Helping verb, not, subject, main verb plus object plus question mark. There is only the helping verb, that is a did. If there is a did, I, we, you, he, she, it, they and John. So now let's see the sentence. We can form the sentence. The same sentence. I spoke English. I did not speak English. Did I speak English? Now it is didn't I speak English, because we have to tie the not to the helping verb. So now let's write a sentence. Didn't I speak English? Speak English. Didn't I speak English? Didn't it follow them? Didn't it follow them? The question mark. Didn't John steal his book? Didn't John steal his book? Didn't John steal his book? Next, didn't Mary purchase a bicycle? Didn't Mary purchase a bicycle? So this is all is called a negative interrogative sentence. Only the thing you have to remember and keep in your mind that only in a affirmative sentence we will use PT form and not in other sentences. So if there is a did, you have to use as usual the first form of the verb. It will become speak. Okay viewers, if you like my video, please share it, watch it, and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.